Right, cheers guys.
Cheers, right.
Bottoms up!
And we've got... Actually, you just sneezed all over the food.
I didn't get it. That is bad.
It is bad, I'm covered in
Did you
you.
actually just spit that up?
I'm so sorry.
I thought you were laughing.
It's Saturday, it's exactly 8 o'clock. Got back half an hour ago from a 15-mile run this morning with Kate, so left at 5 o'clock, routine. Now off to the supermarket because tonight we're having a barbecue. Well, not really a barbecue, I mean, I haven't cleaned that barbecue for over a year. We're going to cook indoors and take it outdoors, which is kind of the same thing. So I need to go and get all the stuff for that. It's Mexican theme. Before that though, we're off to something amazing. We're going to the best day of the every 2 years, because it only happens every 2 years. Little bit of a drive, but super excited. Of course, when we do go on these little adventures in the car, it does mean a rudimental stop at the healthy food place. I'm also really excited today because I have the new tripod. It's called a tripod because it's got 3 legs, not 1, not 2, but 3. Made by Manfrotto. Not that I've given up on Joby, but because I've had so many issues with my Joby, I really am afraid the leg's gonna fall off. So I'm gonna try this for the more close-up shots. It's also got long legs, so that shot just now was actually on the ground. I like it because I can position it right at the top of this window and spy on people going past. But right, back to business, gotta get to that supermarket. Not the best looking day for an air show, gotta be honest. As you can see, a very quiet day here in St Albans on Saturday. Suspiciously quiet. Also might try and get the car cleaned because it is absolutely filthy. Now, I'm not favouring this supermarket, and these vlogs are in no way sponsored by this supermarket, but their shelf stacking really is something to be admired. Also, I love coming to the supermarket at this time because, look, the parking lot is completely empty. Right, let's get this over with. Now this scanners you shop app's great, but there is nowhere for me to put my phone. And so our road trip begins to Farnborough. How's the driver?
Fine.
Happy Saturday. But first we have to make a very important stop, otherwise there's no way we'll make it. This is a very important business critical stop. I might have a crap.
What, the breakfast wrap?
No, it looks disgusting.
Hello, how can I help?
Can I get a cheese and egg snack wrap, please?
Is that ketchup or brown sauce?
Ketchup, please.
Anything else?
A double sausage and egg McMuffin as well, please. Do you want ketchup?
Yes, please. I had a snack wrap with cheese and egg. Disgusting. Nearly at Duxford. We've been in the car.
Farnborough, your bell end.
Nearly at Farnborough. Been in the car for 2 hours to do 40 miles, which is just ridiculous. It's just completely bananas. Finally arrived at the air show. Not many planes yet. As you can see, it takes 3 people to manage 1 stream of traffic. Definitely job creation. Okay. I want one. David 2 is in desperate need of a coffee with immediate effect. So
David 1 is so boring.
because I'm so boring. So gonna get him a coffee.
Why am I David 2?
I'm in charge of the vlog, and only I get to talk to the camera, like in Wayne's World. Only in Farnborough is soup £4.50 and a latte £3.50.
Flight 209er clear for vector 324.
We have clearance, Clarence.
Roger, Roger. What's our vector, Victor? You ever been in a cockpit before?
No, sir, I've never been up in a plane before.
You ever seen a grown man naked?
This is one of the best planes I've ever flown. Amazing plane. Normally on one of these I sit about here, sometimes over there. Who can spot what's missing on this plane? I'll give you that one for free. Seats. Only kidding, it's missing champagne.
Captain, how soon can you land?
I can't tell.
You can tell me I'm a doctor.
No, I mean, I'm just not sure.
Or can't you take a guess?
Well, not for another 2 hours.
You can't take a guess for another 2 hours?
These guys are VIPs. That means they get to do the same stuff we did, but pay 3 times the price. I really enjoyed it. It gets an 8 out of 10. You notice today I'm filming on a different camera because the battery to my main camera died. So let me know what you think. No. Yes.
I don't know the word. Do I know the words?
No one knows the words.
Going, going, gone. Love is going, going, gone.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Your camera.
Yeah, beauty glasses.
Where is?
Quantre. Get up.
It is a good.
Cheers to cheers.
Right.
Cheers, camera. Hi, camera. They're good. They're good.
They're nice.
Actually, this will be.
No, it's where you talked to us. Yeah, yeah. You told us that. You said you booked it. You booked it a while ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I booked it for treat.
We're now going to the pub because
We are, aren't we?
we need to have a quick chat and a drink, so it makes sense and leave the girls to have their chat. I heard that. And we've been given 25 minutes, which you'd think being married 3 years, you've earned more than 25 minutes, but apparently not.
I've got no options. What am I going to do?